Every Tuesday, you can get yourself a copy of our newspaper, iDiskiTV, for absolutely free. Every shop right in the Gauteng province, you just go there, get yourself the paper. And on Fridays, the paper will be available across the nation on our website, iDiskiTimes.co.za. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Hello and welcome to a brand new season. It's the same old problems of load shedding, so we had to find a different address to shoot the content in. Thank you very much for joining us. Junior Khanye, Mamelodi Sundowns. I almost said easy win, but this was not an easy win. A very difficult match for Sundowns. They only scored the first goal in the second half via a free kick. What did you make of the game, sir?
Yes,
sir.
Justice.
Easy.
Trucks.
Easy.
Benedict Sofila.
Yes, so.
Keep on supporting
Here we go.
Fighting one, try to fix South African football. I think tactical ama coach badlala ngokufana. Rulane Mukwena, Mangoba Mnqiti, Steve Kompele play the same, but approach game the same, 3-4-3, njengo Eric Tinkler. Bebanqintshana ipace, lama pocket lawa iSundowns ejwayele ukuthi wa dominate. Bekunzima ukuthi bathole ushadulile. Siqale ngalabantu abayi3 badlala emuva kuSundowns. First half umkwena bekalovile. Ngikhuluma ngoTebogo Mkwena bekangalinki i-defense yakhe ne-attack umayema nalomfana uDomingos bekunzima ukuthi bathwele ibhola because of him. Ibhola emove ukuthi balistart at the back bekunzima ukuthi balistart because of him. So bekunzima nokuthi ibhola lifike up front bomshishi because of uDomingos naye umayema ngoba akadlali umkwena. So benzima igame I think for Sundowns first half. They started to play, I think, second half. But second half, nakhona they score goals. They never play beautiful. They got the opportunity to score goals. After ukuthi Mkwena come to the party, also nayo Mayema, nayo Domingos. Ngoba first half into bebayenza, iSundowns umshishi bekalanda ibhola too deep. And umshishi was playing front three. Ulanda ibhola too deep because babangam supply. uDomingo beka off. No Mayema beka off. Bebekana spark so ipola nakuthi kufika kibo lo mjita beyangokwazi ukulinka umkwena so benzima for bona second half I think coach is there to tell umkwena look angithi uyazi thina these people at the back abayi3 they just trash you and then you come here either siyadlala or sidlala white uyalinka. So I think second half he did it very well. Bebakwazi ukuthi baphume because bekalanda ibhola nearer to the keeper Williams. And then bamthembe bamnike abo mayema abasondele noma iDomingos. No Domingos naye he came to the party was agency bana mayema and then it's when ke umshisha aqala ukuthi adlale ke naye igote goal. But nayo iCape Town City ke I think uEric Tinkler the way started uqale ngenye indlela i-team yakwazi not balance. Bekuyi only asiqale ngasemidlini umkeke wami center back. Why making umkeke center back? Umkeke is a defensive midfield. Umuntu unakulinkelayo. Yiyo ngithi badlala ngokufana. iCape Town City kuzifika up front is because of umkeke. iCape Town City kuze badlala bomakola umkeke nabo Nodada. So now icoach what uqala ngeyoungstar. Up front uqala ngalomfana weyoungstar lona 18 uqala ngoConzales ka left uqala ngalomfana umayo and then the balance I think bengekho right ngoba umayo every time when bebafuna yena ngapha ka right we side bel function ka right but nakhona amabhola bebadlala nge-transition like it was speed bebachita babamba iSundowns nge-break bebanga combine ngoba uNodada was off I think umdansane was off as well and angithi manje because of umkeke is at the back so beba rely ukuthi sizoba mama ngebreak iSundowns angeke sisedlala unfortunately plan yakhe coach azangisebenze and emangabheka wena Nkuleko no much chances are created between both teams iSundowns they only created 2 goals and then they scored 2 goals so na mabaqeda ukora wrong sub from coaches khiphelana umshishi ufaka bani khipha umshishi ufaka umvali ukhipha uDomingos ufaka uLoralan bekungana nkinga ungizwe kahle Nkuleko bayibulela igame because truly speaking now ufaka umvala I couldn't understand
was it not their intention to kill the game
but now Cape Town City was coming and amasapo Cape Town City wabonile na makola came mina ngithi coach kubumyekile umdantsane. I'm sure umdantsane beyahameka, he didn't come to the party because team yakalo bengekho balance. Miyeke umdantsane asale nalo mfana umayo miyeke. Mina uConsonless bengizo-substitute yena nale ntwana ena 18 bengizoyikhipha for me, and then ngimiyeke umdantsane ngifake yena umkeke ngimpushele in the middle kube umkeke noNodada noMakola, and then up front kube umdantsane mhlambe nalo mfana umayo. You understand? I'm sure the team was going to be balanced ngoba boyi-2 ama-team batheka ngama-wing back and bebangakwazi kwathola ama-wing back because both midfielders first half they didn't play. I-Cape Town City yona-ke idlale manje last sebakhipha umshishi bakhipha noDomingo, so iSundowns nayo ukuthi ikhipha uDomingo ifake umvali ifake noRlani, I think it's wrong sub because ikhile game yeSundowns bese halfini yayo. Instead Cape Town City were coming but now baya sideways too much, bafuna ukwatheka ngale side laka Domingos nale American, and which is it didn't work for them. Yes, izamile ukuthi bafuna ukudlala ngama crosses. uRonwen is safe ama crosses lamabhola la kunamanye adlula in front of ipali, amabhola ngathi wa dangerous, but both teams, like I'm saying, they never created both cut chances.
You're surprised to see Ronwen Williams playing first game. We know he's a very good goalkeeper, but number one, Africa's goalkeeper. Number 2, captain yabo, Dennis Onyango. Number 3, he's a CAF Champions League winning goalkeeper. Immediately, Ronwen Williams yafika uyangena, ambend yathathwa iyakhutshwa kuDennis Onyango.
Yeah, aborulani le bayenzile i break it or make it. Phela makanza so win a clean sheet. And mangambheka look confident in terms of handling.
Yeah.
Look nervous azange athuwe.
Well, he's always talented.
Yeah, and this is Sundowns. Good Super Sport, we understand. Here is Sundowns playing amongst the best against Cape Town City club. Ebe competent in Sundowns. Sundowns never beaten Cape Town City last season. We league twice. But the cupping on my penalty. So Ronwen, the game was tough. I would see bega me langa bega bamba bega handle ma pola with pressure in front of him. Amanya fixer. So he did very well, and a compliment to him. Ama coach is good bamfaka njoba ngithi break it or make it. Zomkhipha kanjani enza so. And if he's winning kunguthi uRulani umanqoba mzwila, this is a team whereby esicabanga ukuthi ngaba yiwo ama opponent esicompete nabo neRoyal M. Is strong Cape Town City. Ngala masapha bawenzile babonile. We need to be honest. So if ukwazile ukuthi ashaye clean sheet la uzomkhipha kanjani. Sharp, I understand Onyango is a good goalkeeper, but you only good has been given a chance. So now the Ronwen is done well.
There you go. That's a very interesting predicament because you have a captain, Champions League goalkeeper, Africa's best goalkeeper once upon a time. Immediately a new goalkeeper comes in and we amfara immediately, and it does well. Junior Khanye asks a very important question. What are you going to do with Ronwen Williams? You can't take him out now. You're not going to rotate. He did well today. There we go then. Mamelodi Sundowns back to square one, really. Last 5 seasons, 5 league titles. This is going to be number 6 if they continue like this. Opening weekend of the season. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Cape Town City 0. It is iDiskiTV, Disc Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.